Hello everyone. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to check if all the keys on your keyboard are working using a free online tool. No downloads, no software, just your browser. First, open your web browser and go to en.key-test.ru. This is a simple keyboard and mouse testing website that lets you see which keys are being pressed in real time. When the page loads, you can select Windows or Mac. Every mouse click will appear clearly above in the keyboard indicator. Now start pressing each key on your keyboard one by one. As you press them, you'll see the corresponding keys light up on the screen. This makes it super easy to check for any stuck or unresponsive keys. If a key doesn't light up when you press it, that means your keyboard might have an issue with that particular key. You can test letters, numbers, function keys, and even special keys like Shift, Control, and Alt. And that's it. It's super fast and works on any device with a keyboard, Windows, Mac, or even a connected keyboard on a tablet. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.